In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove your passkey from Binance. Whether you're using the mobile app on Android or iOS, or accessing Binance via the web, you might notice some slight variations based on your location and device. Nevertheless, the overall process remains relatively similar. Remember, it's always a good idea to cross-check with Binance support specific to your region if you run into any discrepancies. Let's start by clarifying what a passkey is. In the context of Binance, a passkey refers to a biometric or device-based verification method. This can include using facial recognition, a fingerprint scan, or any similar biometric login technique that you've enabled previously within the passkeys or biometrics section of your settings. These methods are designed to enhance the security of your account by adding an extra verification layer each time you log in or perform sensitive transactions. Now, if you've decided to remove this passkey for whatever reason, whether it's switching devices or exploring a different security setup, here's how you can proceed. First, log into your Binance account. This could be through the mobile app or on the website, depending on what you prefer. Once you're successfully logged in, navigate to the Account or Profile section. Here, you'll find a range of settings dedicated to your account management and preferences. Within this section, locate and go to the Security settings. Pay close attention as the security settings encompass a variety of options, each aimed at safeguarding your account. You're looking for an entry labeled Passkeys, Biometrics, or simply Passkey or Passkeys. Once you find it, click on Manage, or look for a settings gear icon next to the Passkeys option. This will take you to a more focused menu specific to biometric or passkey management. Within this menu, you should see an option that resembles a trash can icon or one that says Delete Passkey. Click on this option to begin the removal process. Be prepared for a pop-up message asking you to confirm your intention to delete the passkey. Binance takes security seriously, so you'll need to complete a security verification before proceeding. Depending on your previous setup, this verification could involve entering a code sent to your email or phone, using Google Authenticator, or even confirming with your current passkey. Complete the verification as instructed. Once you've successfully verified, the passkey will be removed from your account settings. This means you can no longer use that particular biometric method to log into or verify actions on Binance unless you decide to re-enable it at a later point. And there you have it. You've successfully removed your passkey from Binance. Feel free to reassess and explore other security options to keep your account both secure and accessible.